Severed head found in Sherlock Crescent, St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. Police investigators are scouring an area known as Block B in the community of Sherlock Crescent in Andrew after a severed head was found on Saturday. Residents said that the head has been linked to a man known as 41-year-old Sherlock Crescent, a well-known don in the area. Investigators suspect that Honest may have been killed in the Spanish Town area and his head dumped in the community. Holness had reportedly relocated because of gang-related conflict in the area. His mother had reported him missing a few days before the grisly discovery was made. The police continue with the search for the deceased body. A severed head was found in the Duhaney Park area on Saturday, and a report made to the Duhaney Park police. The police confirmed that there is a video circulating on social media, but they are presently conducting an investigation, a representative of the Corporate Communication Unit told reporters. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.